Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Expedition billet passenger grab handle. This item fits the 2024 plus 2 and 4-door models. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project: a 13mm socket, power drill, combination wrench, and a drive ratchet. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove the factory grab handle. We will start by removing the 3M8 bolts holding the factory grab handle to the center console. Step 2. Install the DRT Motorsports Billet passenger grab handle. Begin by aligning the billet grab handle with the mounting holes on the center console. Hand thread the M8 bolts into place to get them started. Then, use a combination wrench to snug them down. To securely fasten the grab handle, use a power drill to tighten the 2 outer bolts, followed by a drive ratchet to fully tighten the inner bolt. The DRT Motorsports Polaris XPEDITION billet passenger grab handle was engineered for enhanced ergonomics with an aggressive style that matches the platform's true capabilities. Precision machined from aerospace-grade billet aluminum using advanced CNC equipment, this grab handle offers both strength and visual impact. Its layered design features a clear anodized contrast plate sandwiched between the DRT logo plate, creating a bold interior accent. A military-grade anodized finish is applied to the base, contrast, and top plates for long-lasting durability. Black-coated stainless steel hardware secures the assembly while maintaining a clean, cohesive look. Each component is easily customizable, allowing you to tailor the handle to match your vehicle's color scheme. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports Billet passenger grab handle. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.